guys, it's yeahitsann. I'm back with another video, and it is back to school season, so it is the best time to be showing you guys what is in my feminine care pack campus. If you are back to school, this is the perfect video for you because everyone needs to have a care pack or on the go pack. This care pack will have everything that you need and it will be very affordable. If you are interested to continue watching, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe so you can be a part of the gang and you don't miss a beat, okay? The first thing you're gonna need when you're creating a feminine hygiene or care pack is a mini pouch. No matter what kind of pouch it is, it just matters that it's small and it's convenient and it can fit into whatever you carry to go to school, like a backpack, a purse, or whatever you decide to carry. So whatever it is, just make sure it is small and like easy to carry around and it is not see-through. If it can be see-through if you don't really care, but I prefer not see-through because you don't want everybody in your goodies. Okay, so the first thing is hand sanitizer. We all know that we're in a pandemic and you just need hand sanitizer just to keep germs away and all that stuff, because this is like the number one thing that was needed to be bought besides masks this year. The topic of masks, I do have like a 3-pack of masks just in case I forget or like my mask falls or I just want to switch out masks. So make sure you have extra masks in your backpack or your care pack, just because you never know what's happening and you're in a pandemic, so you just want to be careful. Third, I do carry disinfecting wipes because we're in the middle of a pandemic. I'm just trying to get out all the cleaning stuff right now because I don't think y'all remember that we're in the middle of a pandemic, in the middle of panoramic, in the middle of Delta. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Okay. Fourth thing is some perfume, and this is from Victoria's Secret. I just had this. I had like a 3-pack, and I have one in my car, I have one in my purse, I have one all over, and I have a lot of minis. So I just suggest you guys get a mini plastic bottle fragrance that you can spray from time to time if you just want to smell good, if you want like a refresh. I live in Florida, so it's always hot, and I wouldn't say perfume disguise must, because perfume does not disguise must. Do not get that confused. But if I'm out and I want to smell good, or like I want to smell fresh again, like after a while your fragrance wears off depending on what's like how long it lasts. So don't forget a fragrance because you just want to smell good. The 5th item is deodorant. This is the deodorant of my choice. I do use this deodorant. It is a I do choose this deodorant because it's aluminum. I did used to sweat a lot, and I still kind of sweat a lot, but I don't sweat excessively like I used to. So this deodorant saves me on multiple occasions. So make sure you keep a deodorant around, especially if you're in the gym, if you're just active. Like I said, Florida is very hot, so I do keep a deodorant on me because you just never know. Okay. Oh guys, I don't know, I lost count. This is probably the 6th item. The 6th item is Crest, and this is mouthwash. I have braces. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do have braces, so if I do eat, I will need to like rinse my mouth or something. I wouldn't carry around a toothbrush. I would, but it's unnecessary. I wouldn't carry around a toothbrush, but as long as you have some mouthwash and you brush your teeth early in the morning or before you went to school, you should be fine. I don't know, 2 birds with 1 stone. So if you do have braces, you will know that you need your rubber bands and your braces floss. So I do keep these with me just in case I need to floss my teeth real quick. This is like an interdental floss. You can find this anywhere, Dollar Tree, Walmart, Walgreens, any like pharmacy type store. And I get this from an orthodontist, and this is the rubber bands to keep my braces, you know, intact. Another necessity that I keep and that I just need is a good chapstick or a good lip gloss. So I do keep a good lip gloss, good chapstick, because if you don't have a lip gloss or a chapstick, your lips are just chapped. But I do plan on getting like a little less glossy chapstick, because if I'm going to be wearing my mask all day, I don't want to be feeling like sticky under. So I might just get like a Carmex balm or something because this might get inconvenient at times. Another thing I keep is a lotion. To be honest guys, I'm always ashy, and that is kind of a bad first impression, because I know me, I used to be like, but you ashy, like that's the first thing somebody can mention is that you're ashy. So yes, I keep Jergens with me, like a little mini lotion. I got this from like Dollar Tree or Walmart, so this is very, very inexpensive. Another thing I did buy is these personal wipes for your like intimate personal areas. I don't recommend carrying this whole bag, but I do recommend carrying about 2 or 3 with you, just in case, so you don't have to like worry about refilling it every time you take something out of it. Not just if you go to the restroom or pee, or you know, or on your cycle, you just have something to, you know, instead of using toilet paper. I know you guys saw that paper or that news article, or I don't know, it was going around Instagram where somebody was shooting up in the toilet paper on Walmart, and that was just disgusting. So just make sure as a female you keep something for you. Okay, a few things left. We're now getting to like the hair area. If you know, you know, we don't play about our laces, we don't play about our wigs, we don't play about anything. I recommend getting a folding brush. I did buy this from Dollar Tree. It has a little mirror on it, so it's just not 2 birds in one stone. I want to look at myself and I want to brush my hair, so I could look to see how I'm looking, you know, real quick, and brush my hair. So I keep this folding brush. Let me show you guys how it works. Color, so it works. So it comes out when you want to brush your hair, you know, and then you pop it back in, and folds up when you want it like this. We have one more item, and this last item is scrunchies. I do recommend scrunchies for your personal hygiene, because every school year I remember me asking somebody if they have a scrunchie, because you need a scrunchie. Like sometimes my hair be bothering me, sometimes it be hot, sometimes I just need a scrunchie. I don't know what to tell you guys. It's all for my personal hygiene box. I'm gonna put everything in the bag, and I'm gonna show you guys how my I'm gonna put everything in the bag, and I'm gonna show you guys how my personal hygiene bag is looking. Oh, I almost forgot, y'all. Don't forget y'all pads and tampons. I would show you guys pads and tampons, but I don't really know how YouTube feels about stuff like that. But don't forget pads or tampons. I don't know what you guys prefer, what you guys use, but yeah, don't forget your pads and tampons, because I don't know what to tell you guys. We are grown. We're in the middle of a pandemic. I don't know about y'all, but my nurses never wanted to give me stuff. Like if I said I was on my period, they would give me ice. So make sure you guys have pads or tampons, because you don't need to be going around telling people you need a pad or tampon, because you should have had that, okay? I'm glad you guys got to see what was in my bag, and I hope I did help you guys. Comment down below if I missed anything, or you guys just want to make it a safe place for other girls who are going back to school and don't know what to put in their bag. Please also comment down what school you're going to. I'm going to UCF, and it is a very new thing for me. I'm off to college and I'm by myself on my own, so it's a very new thing to me. For some people it could be frightening. I can't lie, it's a little intimidating, or like it makes me very anxious, but I just want y'all to know that we're in this together. So just comment down below, and I hope everyone has a great school year and you guys are very productive, and just make it a great school year, y'all.